What if you could turn a single photo into a full set of unique design without needing the design skills? Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. All right, so this is the landing page of PrintKK, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is positioning itself as an innovative platform that is designed to make graphic creation for merchandise both fast and basically highly customizable. Now, it is empowering users to produce that unique themed visuals without requiring the advanced designed skills. Now, guys, I don't know with you, but I mean, for me, I feel like I don't have the designing skills. Like, you know, in creating animations or cartoon characters or something like that. So this is going to be very, very helpful. And I know a lot of them are also you guys. So it's streamlining that process from the concept until the finished product. So whether for the personal projects or the commercial use, PrintKK is providing tools that transform creative ideas into that professional quality designs with ease. So one of its standout feature, guys, is the pattern extraction and the remake. Now that one is allowing the users to pull the textures, illustrations, or basically the product patterns from existing sources and then remix it into an entirely new visual asset. Now, this is going to make it an ideal solution for designing wallpapers, apparel, home decor, or even the product packaging that feels fresh yet consistent with a chosen theme. So to help the creators scale their ideas, PrintKK is offering a batch generator that is converting a single input into multiple variations. And that is like hitting multiple birds with one stone. So that is going to make your process workflow super efficient. Now, this function is particularly useful for developing seasonal collections or the niche product lines, which is also ensuring that the consistent designs are met always and it can be produced quickly and efficiently. Now, going to their website, guys, you have all the tabs right here. So if you hover over the products, you have unique products right here, acoustic panels, light fixtures, trash can, you have home living, a lot of different stuff. Then I would, of course, strongly suggest that you head on over to their website and then try it out yourself. Okay, so you have the service here, print on demand, custom products, integration, custom service, order in bulk, affiliate, and brand. And let me go ahead, guys, and show you one sample right here. So guys, this is how it looks like when they are logged in to PrintKK. Now, this is the dashboard, guys. As you can see, they have all their new products here. Okay, they have the pending payment, they have the ones that are still being fulfilled, the ones that are shipped, and you even have the coupons right here. So you have the AI tokens, okay, 26. As you can see, you could check that one out here as well. And from here, you have all the tabs on the left side this time. All right, guys, so let me show you a demonstration on this one right here. So let me actually start from scratch. So let's choose a photo. Okay, so text prompt. This is for the selecting of the image. Let's do this cute dog right here. Okay, and let us actually do a prompt, floral style plus gold stars. And then number of images, just 2. Okay, I want a 1:1 ratio. And then task name, let's put test. And then tag. Okay, so let's generate that now. Okay, so it will use 2 diamonds right there. All right, there you go. Okay, look at that. My goodness, super cute. All right, so you have 2 sample objects right there. Okay, so you have this one, and then you have another one right here. What a cute little puppy. All right, so basically it's super duper easy. You can go ahead and try that one out here, make your account, and then log in and then test this one out. And of course, if you need help and if you have like questions and all that, you could always get here and, you know, get in touch and check them out. And of course, you have that contact us on at the back of my face cam. You can use that to ask assistance from PrintKK. Now, additionally, guys, the platform also enhances the workflow through their task management and their project reuse. So the users will be able to compare original versus the AI-generated designs. You can save your projects and, of course, reuse the assets for future edits. Now, this structured approach not only saves you a lot of time, but it also makes the design work more organized and scalable. So again, guys, go ahead and check them out. See for yourself the power of PrintKK. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.